Okay, this will be an interesting one if we can make it look good. It's quite colourful, which will make it a bit easier colour-wise. I don't know what size we're going to make it. We're going to make it 200. We're going to try and select a smallish area, which will hopefully look really good as a cropped image. No, we're not using that. We're going to use the contrast, and we're going to go here. So actually, I'm going to just lighten it off a little bit. Okay, let's see if we can make it look good. Maybe we can make it a bit... Anyway, it says here, Lake Hong-Hu in concert. We want to get at least some of these people. I'm trying to see which publication. It's Fortune Weekly. That's the front cover. We don't want the front cover. This time we want this. We want to try and fit these people in. So I'm thinking maybe going to make it... Just going to try my best to work out how to align this. We're just going to cover up that bottom bit. We're just going to line it up just like so and hope it's done nicely. And we have to estimate how big we're going to make it a bit elongated. We don't want to cut off some of the people, so I'm thinking with the horizontal is going to be a little bit bigger than B5, so we're just going to go, I think it's going to be in the hundreds, so this will be 200, so we'll call it 120, and this one is going to be, we're staying with 200. We've made up our mind, wondering if we should maybe... Just in case it spits the dummy when I'm making a mirror image, we're just going to select a paper size. We're going to make it A4. That'll do the job. And let's see how we go. Right, let's see how that looks. Okay, out it comes. Let's see if we've cropped it nicely. It looks nice. We got the word in concert. We don't really want it, but we can't really avoid it because we end up cutting his head off. But it looks like we've cropped this image nicely, and it looks quite colourful. So now we're just going to make this into a mirror. This will be the centre. It's going to be a strange sort of a mirror image because there's not much diagonal. Diagonals tend to look better in mirror images than verticals or horizontals, like having it 90 degrees, like everything 90 degrees. It's good to have things on a 45 or similar degree angle to make a really good mirror image. So it's just got the words in concert, but we won't worry about that because that looks quite nice, and even the words in concert look like they're almost smack bang in the middle, which is nice to see. So we're just going to try and touch the corners or get close to doing that, and now we're just going to print off the two mirrored versions of this. So yeah, so we're just going to go and we're just going to hit that, and we're just going to hit that on, and we're just going to hit two off and put it together. Okay, out it comes. So we've got two of these. These are reversed. You can see the words in concert. Read in reverse rather than the usual. So we're just going to line these up onto there. Okay, let's see if we can make this look really nice. Let's try and line up the bits there. That's that one. And now we're just going to line up this one. Tricky. This one's curling a bit on the edge, which is a nuisance. It's a bit of a nuisance the way it's got a bit of a sideways curl. It's not an easy thing to straighten out. Anyway, I think that looks all right, but that looks quite nice now. I think now we've got a little bit of a diagonal feature there, so that looks really quite nice. So I think now we can call this one quits.